Behold, this is the staff elevator here at the Atlantic General Hospital in Berlin, Maryland. Fortunately, it's an Otis Series 1, and I can't ride this one because it's for staff only. In Berlin, Maryland, So, oh, never mind. Anyway.
I was about to go up to the staff elevator in Atlantic General Hospital, and I think one person did notice if I'm staff, and I told him, uh-oh, this was a mistake. Yeah, he got security, and I told him what I do, and told me I can't film in the hospital, in the Atlantic General Hospital, but at least he escorted me out, and I gave him a handshake, you know. This was the biggest mistake I ever made with filming a staff elevator in the Atlantic General Hospital in Berlin, Maryland. Hope I don't make that mistake again. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.